guys, welcome back. Thank you for tuning into another video. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look using 7 packs of Jamaican braiding hair. Sorry. 7 packs. I don't even have the packs to show you anymore, but yeah. It took me about 10.5 hours. 1, because this was my first time doing this style on myself. 2, doing it this small for sure, because usually if I did it on somebody else before, it was a bigger size. And 3, you know, they're kind of long. Like, they're right here. Oh. So it did take a little time to do them, but I think they turned out pretty good. A few of them in the back were loosening up, mainly because I didn't get my technique all the way together at that point, and I was using jam in the back of my head instead of edge booster, which I used in the front, and that turned out to be a little bit better. So I'm going to undo those, redo them for you guys, and hopefully the tutorial helps you. I use a rat tail comb, edge booster, leave-in conditioner by Creme of Nature, and Shea Moisture's black castor oil, and of course Jamaican braiding hair. So first thing you want to do is take a few squeezes of your Shea Moisture black castor oil, or whatever oil you decide to use. A few squeezes of that paired with a few squeezes of this, and brush it down your hair, like stroke it into your hair, just so you can take in the moisture. You know your hair is okay, protected, and still has moisture under the hair. Then we are going to take a little bit of this, the edge booster, I like to do it the length of, like, the roots and the tip, and most importantly, because you want the tips to fold into the hair good, and you also want it to stick good at the roots. Then you take it, you part into 2. Right? So depending on how long you want your hair, depends on how you actually place your pieces, right? So I am 5'5", 5'4.5", and I have a really short torso, so me putting the hair straight out the pack, or like, yeah, so I just have a little bit of difference in the length of the 2 pieces. That way it gives me just a little bit of extra length, like what I want, because I want it to hit my waist. But even if I didn't, it probably still would reach me there. Pretty much the more space you have between them, the longer it's gonna be. You know what I'm saying? So just be mindful of that. Also, if you do want it to be super long, you might want to add a little bit extra, just so it can still like have some volume to it or size to it. But in regards to my hairstyle, this is fine. Just that little bit of difference in the 2 pieces. This is one end, this is the other. That's fine for mine. And what we're gonna do is, you have your knot right here in the middle. Take one of them, take one side, and twist it. Twist it really good. Then take the rest of the hair and twist it that way. And then you keep twisting it. But as you're twisting one side, so you twist this one, place it. Twist this one, place it. So as you're constantly twisting both pieces of hair as you're going down, right? And as you continue to go down, sometimes you are gonna need to add just a little bit of jam, edge control, whatever you're using, just to blend that hair in. See? Hopefully this tutorial works, and try it out. Let me know, okay? So guys, I'm finished. I didn't get as much trim. I think